Hey guys, it's Saren, and today I'm gonna make a recipe that's gonna blow your mind. Ice cream hot dog donut with Sheepdog peanut butter whiskey. It's a must for all you peanut butter lovers out there, and lending me a pour is Sheepdog Rose. Let's get cooking. First up, we're gonna make some donut dough, and I've got some plain flour here that's just gonna go straight in. Some sea salt, pop that in. And I've got some milk here, which is just at room temperature, and some yeast. And I'm just gonna tip my yeast straight into my milk and tip in my sugar. And the sugar is gonna help the yeast bloom. So I'm gonna go straight in with my milk, sugar and yeast into my flour. I've got some beaten eggs, going with those. I've got some vanilla. I'm gonna start combining my dough just until it's shaggy, and then I'm gonna go in with my softened room temperature butter, and that's gonna make my dough super glossy and elastic. I love donuts, and my favorite plant is a donut plant. My favorite part of a donut has to be the delicious icing on the outside. I love an iced donut. So we're gonna tip my dough out onto the surface, put some flour down. Just start giving it a nice gentle knead. Don't worry, Rose. You just sit there. I will do all of the hard work. We are nearly there with this dough. It's looking really nice and soft. So my dough is done, nice and kneaded. It's really soft and lovely. I'm gonna stick it in this bowl, cover it with some cling film, let it prove for about an hour, and it should be ready to go. So my dough is proven and it's puffed up, and I'm just gonna separate it into my hot dog donuts. And just to divide it up, I'm gonna roll it into one long sausage, and then I'm gonna portion it up into my individual hot dog donut buns. I'm just gonna portion up my dough into 8 pieces. I'm gonna roll them into just a smaller sausage shape. So now that I've rolled out all my hot dog donuts, I'm gonna let them prove for another 30 minutes. So let's make our donut glaze. I'm gonna grab a bottle of Sheepdog whiskey. Oh, it smells so delicious. So I'm gonna pour some into here, straight in to my icing sugar. Let's go for 2 shots. Then I'm gonna add some water. I'm just gonna give it a whisk all together. That is delicious. The peanut butter really comes through. So now our lovely hot dogs have proved. I've got some hot oil on the go here, and I'm just gonna pop them in one by one, being really gentle with them. And they'll cook for about 3 minutes each side until they've got that really lovely brown color. That's my last donut all done. So I'm gonna dip them one by one and then let them sit on this. Let's try that again. And then I'm gonna set it on my tray until the glaze has set. That looks amazing. So now my donuts are completely glazed and I've sliced them open. I'm going to make my hot dog ice cream sausages, and I'm gonna roll them in this panko that I've mixed with hundreds of thousands, just for color and lots of crunch. Got my ice cream sausages, let's give them a roll. I'm gonna pop them in and literally just cover them in the panko. I can hear Rose sniffing around wanting one, but don't worry, I'm gonna give her some peanut butter later. So I'm gonna grab one of my buns, pop it in, stick it on a plate, and we're gonna decorate with a little bit of delicious chocolate sauce. And then I've got some crushed peanuts to go on top for crunch. There it is, my ice cream hot dog donut glazed with delicious Sheepdog peanut butter whiskey, paired with this amazing, what is it? Served with this amazing White Russian. Boom, baby. What do you think, Rose? I think it looks great. I think she approves. Let's give it a taste. So peanut buttery. Make this with your mates. It's a great recipe. Try it out.